If you don't like bees but still love nature, then stick around for some hive mind-blowing facts. Let's dive into the top 5 biggest beehives in the world. Starting with number 5, we have a giant hive in China that's over 4 feet tall. That's taller than most kids in 6th grade. Number 4 takes us to Australia, where a hive was found that stretched over 5 feet wide. That's like having a whole bee apartment complex. Moving on to number 3, back in the USA, a hive in Texas measured an enormous 6 feet. Imagine bees having their own skyscraper. Our runner-up, number 2, is in Brazil, where a hive was discovered to be 7 feet tall. That's taller than some basketball players. And finally, the biggest hive ever found was in Zimbabwe,